Feel like falling deeper. Colder nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving and thank you guys seriously so much for supporting me for another year. I cannot believe that this year is almost coming to an end. I know during this time it gets very busy and sometimes stressful for a lot of us. I hope everyone gets a very good rest over the Thanksgiving weekend and take a break from work, from your phones, after you watch this video. I picked up some thank you cards and holiday cards from CVS so I can write some thank you letters. I already pre-wrote it on my phone because I know I'm gonna mess up. Is anyone else like this? I am. I can never just freestyle a letter. Not me. My hands are so cold, they're like frozen. A hairstylist I worked with, Mariko, she's having a pop-up in Brooklyn, so we're all gonna go support and check it out. I added my two little chains to my bag. This one was crocheted by Blurry Sauce Man, and this one was gifted at my meet and greet. Our lovely viewer. We're here at the Onigiri pub. They have donuts and muffins. We're out here getting a car wash because there's so much bird poop and this is actually our first time washing the car, so it's long overdue. Back with another iHerb haul. Thank you iHerb for sponsoring this video. This time for the holiday, I'm gonna make a little gift box for a friend with some of my favorite items. I know I do quite a few of these iHerb hauls, but I actually do shop on here quite a bit. Not just for supplements, but for snacks, beauty, home, grocery, and even pet products. Use my iHerb rewards that I've accumulated towards my order, and you guys can do that as well. First things first, I got some snacks. These are the Seaweed rice chips. They're so good. A brownie brittle, chocolate chip, keto bark, cookies and cream. iHerb has really good like healthy snacks. Multivitamin gummies. I got the men's version as well for her boyfriend. Probiotics. This is the oxygen brightener. You put this in your laundry. It makes your whites very white. Aquaphor for our lips. I know everyone knows about this, but my friend doesn't, so it's time for her to try. Korean sheet mask. Stainless steel tumbler. All the products that they sell is shipped and stored by iHerb exclusively, so you can use my code Michelle for 22% off beauty. You can clearly tell someone is sick, and not me, but Blurry Sauce Man is. So I am on nurse duty. Hope this will help him feel better. I have a very specific craving that I must satisfy, and that is blueberry muffin. Check if I even have the baking tray. Oh yes, indeed I do. Perfect. A snack before I hit the road. I don't know why I'm craving sweets right now. Back and I'm about to bake. But how do you bake? I don't know how to bake. I'm gonna do half cup. Just put. Oh no. I'm just gonna hope it's gonna look like a muffin at the end of this. Whether it tastes good or not, I just want it to look like a muffin. That's an arm workout. Oh yeah. Lots and lots of blueberries. A little toasted on the top, but it's the best it's gonna get. Finally eat my muffins. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little chit chat talk. I asked you guys on Instagram to send in any questions you might have for me. It's my last Q&A session for 2023, which this year went by so fast. It's crazy. I got a lot of questions about Little Puffy, so I'm gonna start with that. First question, how do you feel about Little Puffy becoming what it is now? I love seeing the progression. Thank you. For those who have been with me since the early days of Little Puffy, you know that we've come a long way. For those who don't know, it started with me printing artworks on t-shirts and sweaters and taking e-com photos in front of bed sheets in my parents' backyard. And it was every Thanksgiving where me and my parents would fulfill orders in the garage, and it was just so cool seeing people all around the world wearing the stuff that I made. As I've gotten older and my tastes have evolved, I wanted to challenge myself in creating new things. So slowly I started bringing on one person here, one person there to help me create beautiful pieces. I would say our growth as a brand is not like exponential, it's still family operated, and I'm so lucky for that. And I think every single progress that we've made is such a huge moment for me, whether that's big or small. And I love that Little Puffy, it's so different from the kind of work that I do on YouTube, and it's just like I exercise like different parts of my brain, which I like, and I get to be creative but also like a problem solver because there's always so many problems, whether that is issues with like bulk production, logistics. Like it would not be a collection or a drop without some major issue happening, but it's such an amazing experience that I get to share with all of you guys. All right, I love this question. Michelle, do you remember to reward and applaud yourself for the progress you have made with LP? And this is such a beautiful question, and I just want to ask you guys and remind you to also take a moment and just give yourself a little pat in the back and let yourself know that you are doing an amazing job. I don't know, I do acknowledge the progress that I've made, but life moves so fast that I do actually forget to pause and be like, wow, Michelle, you're doing so great. So at my pop-up, so many of you guys have come up to me and said, I am so proud of you. I think doing something like this, there's a lot of highs, but there's a lot of lows. And so when I heard those words, it hit me very deeply, and I'm just very appreciative of all those really kind words that I have not said to myself, but hearing it from someone else, it just meant so much. So thank you. How do you feel after the pop-up store? I'll be honest, the pop-up store planning took about like 7 to 8 months to plan out. There was so many times in that process where I've wanted to give up, and I told myself like, why did I want to do this? I've added another load of work on my plate to create an experience, and I've went through so many depressive episodes actually because I've spread myself way too thin. I've exhausted myself mentally and emotionally and physically. Yeah, there's many times where I wanted to quit just literally everything. I'm so glad that we pushed through, and the pop-up store was amazing. It was a dream, and immediately after the pop-up I wanted to do another one. So don't be surprised if we're in your city next. Moving along, what was the most challenging moment for you this year? Oof. I just took a little bite. I feel like a lot of you guys know this about me, but I mention getting burnouts quite often on this channel because it's true, but I never really like deep dive into why I'm so burnt out. But I think in the past 2 years, I've been very mentally and emotionally exhausted. I feel like a lot of it is just I'm spreading myself too thin, and I also let certain things get to my head, and it cripples me in just living my life. I think it's just like the nature of what I do and what content creators do is like you put your life out there in the world on the internet, and it's literally up for people to pick at. Such an odd thing. Even me sitting here and talking to a camera is so odd. It's a beautiful thing because I get to like connect with so many people. I just felt like I wasn't living life, and I felt like I was kind of like a hermit crab, and I would just crawl into my shell, and I like lost interest in a lot of things. Didn't really have any hobbies or interests. Like I was not in a very good place, and I still don't think I am, but there are certain things in my life that give me so much life, which is like my friends, Blurry Salsa Man, Dobby, and like those are things that like keep me going. There's a lot of things that I don't put out on camera, which is the times where I'm very, very sad. I mean, we all go through it, and this is all part of what we call life. Next question, what are my goals for 2024? I cannot believe we're entering a new year already. This is crazy. Time is just going so fast, and this is also why I feel like I'm valuing time more than ever. You cannot buy back time, and it's just so precious to me now. I think for the new year, my goal is to listen to my body, listen to my mind, and take breaks when it needs a break. But like if it means I have to take a step back from growth or progress, then so be it. This also ties in with like the hustle culture. I think we set ourselves up with such a high standard, and we pressure ourselves so much for no reason other than comparing ourselves to our peers and feeling like we're left behind. But you know what, like everyone is on their own journey, an own path, own pace. Like it's so exhausting to compare yourself constantly to the person next to you. I don't want to feel like the pressure of just you have to constantly be killing it. Like no, you take a break when you need to and when you want to. Just want to live slowly and presently with the people I love and the people I care about. Yeah. Do you ever see yourself leaving New York City? I think New York City is one of the greatest cities in the world. There is so much life and passion in this city. It's wild. Like I've never seen it anywhere else. I will always love New York City because I've grown so much as a person here, but I actually don't see myself living here forever. I would love to be like very close to the city, and I would still like to be in New York, but not necessarily like New York City. I think as I'm getting older, I'm just valuing a slower paced lifestyle where I can just really live peacefully and quietly and presently. Yeah. Your biggest purchase using your hard-earned money, because I love how practical you are. I don't know what my biggest purchase is. No, my biggest purchase this year, definitely traveling with my mom twice this year, which I'm so happy about. Like, I have never seen my mom like so happy to be traveling and being in her home country. Our bond has grown so much from that too. So it definitely ain't cheap, but it was very worth the experience. That is all for now.